Pebraginos.
Long way.
Thank you.
There you go.
Muchas gracias.
How nice it will be.
Be lovely. There's our main man Adam outside.
When he did his set up, did he do the 50% crowd? Yeah. 50% crowd. Yeah, so he does crowd work, but then somebody else comes on for it, and then he comes back and does the It's a set work.
He's not filming.
Stay in, man.
sending the drone up? They're good ones, them. I think there's a bunch at that table. I might try and sit up in the corner there and get a better shot.
Might be wet though.
Be alright.
This bit's not too wet. It's a bit cold in your bum though.
Try and time it. You stand back a little bit and then I'll swerve it so it goes like around and then over to there. 10.
You're filming it all?
The whole show, yeah. On the GoPro. Starting on the next time lapse it. I like to have it with B-roll as well, so then at the end of the year you can talk over it. Really good, huh? They're good. I like that. Bam.
Oh my god.
Oh, is that me?
Filming.
That's good, that. You reckon we do it for an hour or half an hour?
Maybe an hour, for half an hour. For 20 minutes. Maybe like 20 minutes.
See how they do the behind the scenes of it. Is it a machine setting it off? Is it a person?
You know, someone going like this. do that, could you? In that order.
Like that shot out of the machine. Oh, no. Oh, that's a big one. Oh,
No, streamers.
there is Screamer.
Streamers.
Oh. Wow. Pick out which one do you want at the wedding?
Purple ones.
Purple and gold.
Gold ones are really nice. Where did you get those from?
I like the red and purple ones. I love the red and purple ones. And the ones that look like glitter.
I like the ones that look like a full circle. I don't like the ones that look like half
Them.
shapes. I don't like them because they're like sandwich shapes. I like full circles.
The purple and red ones are cute.
Nice.
Yeah.
They're not. No, then.
Wow. Wow. Is that the last one? Oh no, we got more. More incoming.
Bra making.
I watched a video of a guy who does his iPod work. I watched a video of a guy who does his iPod work and keeps you to hold your arms so you don't cramp it. Wow. That was good. Bam, 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 bam.
One to have. Charlotte's cupcakes.
I know, they're there, they're fine.
You need to have them.
We're at home.
That's a nice one, I like that one.
You never know which one's the last one. I like that one. that the end one? Probably. Yep. Yep. Is that the end one? Hey. I think that's it. I think. Oh God! They got more. They got when you think it's done, it's not done. Like Tupac said, "When I die, I am not dead. You lot are martyrs, and I am a squashed tomato." Fireworks. It wasn't over. No. Is it over? Oh no, it's back again. Huh?
This is the remaining store.
This is just light them all, Derek, light them all. What did you laugh at?
Yeah. Oh, they've got the defenders on. I know. Charlotte might have been alright.
Yeah, just get her a pair of them.
She just said she'd come here. What? What do you always do? Would you like it to be an hour night?
This is away, you won't be far off.
That's wicked fireworks.
True, it is actually. I like that one when it does like open it bangs and then it does like a ripple effect. Yeah.
Bonfire's dying a bit now.
They need more wood for the bonfire.
You gotta keep going now, you can.
What, in the Interstellar? Oh my God. I like that, they're cool. For the screenshot. I'll get a cool screenshot of my hand. I wonder what their firework budget is. What do you think? few grand. How does Disney do it every night? How much money must they spend on fireworks? A night?
So they do it every night.
Yeah. Oh, it's smoking.
It's not really smoky,
Oh,
is
it's
it?
smoking.
Why's it got some swans to smoking?
They're setting off a big one. Oh, whoa, whoa. Ay, 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 ay. Oh! Woo! Oh, the GoPro makes the lights look so sick.
Pizza oven, oh it is.
Pizza oven. That's pretty cool.
Pizza.
Got rides. Rides for the giddies. Oh, I could have got candy floss from the donut shop.
No donuts here.
Sausage. There is donuts. I swear this is the one. Yeah, look there, Helen. I swear so.
Delicious.
I swear these guys do donuts. Or is it them who do donuts? I think it's them who do donuts.
Oh my god, they've got biscuit.
What's the queue like for this bad boy? Oh days. The queue goes on and on and on and on and on.
Wait,
For Mr. Delicious.
Sugar donuts or biscoff
I
donuts?
said sugar donuts.
Aww.
Sugar donuts, I got biscuit at home.
Oh, biscoff.
Get behind them. Get in the back of this queue, Ellen.
Just shimmy our way in.
Get to the back of this queue. Kind of shimmy your way in. Shimmy your way to the back of this line. Well, the line's longer than the Bible. Oh, no, it's far away.
Me, is it? Thank you.
That lady was trying to steal our donuts. I was like, you can get it, fuck mate. Ladies and gentlemen, Helen, if you drop that donut, we'll never forgive you. We'll never forgive you. Save the donut.
It's there. Please don't eat it. No, no.
Feed it, Helen.
You were thinking about it.
Lady. Ah. Oh, she You're dropping the donuts! Stop dropping them! You meant to eat them, not drop them, you sausage!